History repeats itself. That Imam al-Mahdi is inside the masjid and Dajjal is outside, waiting for the confrontation. And at that very last moment, Allah sends Nabi Isa alayhi salam back. And he comes down into the masjid. Nabi Isa alayhi salam is invited. You lead the prayer. He said, no, you've been appointed the Imam, you lead the prayer. So the Imam leads the prayer. And after the salat is over, he says, open the gates because the masjid is barricaded. And as he steps out, Dajjal will see him, and Dajjal out of fear will melt the way salt melts in water, and he'll flee. So today you are stamping your bloody feet in the Holy Land, pulling up walls of apartheid, looking down upon us as cockroaches. On that day you will be running, and Nabi Isa alayhi salam will pursue him and overtake him at a place called LOD and kill him. And after that, Gog and Magog will be destroyed by Allah. One day like a year would be stage one of his mission, which lasts for a long time. One day like a week, like a month would be stage two, which would be a shorter period of time. And 1 week, one day like a week would be the shortest period. And it is only after these three stages have been completed, only then would Dajjal appear in our material universe, in our world of space and time. Only then would we be able to see him. Prior to that, you can't see him. He's released, he's here, but you can't see him. Are there angels in this auditorium? Apart from your wife, of course. Yes. We have angels on our shoulders. Can you see the angels? No, but they are here. They are here, but you can't see them. Are there jinn in this auditorium? I know there are lots of them in Washington, but are there jinn in this auditorium? Yes, there are. Can you see them? No, you can't. Similarly, Dajjal is released. He is here, but you can't see him until stage one, stage two, and stage three have been completed. And he enters into our world of space and time. A Malay artist did the cover design of this book. And you'll see 3 circles. And the 3 circles represent the 3 stages of Dajjal. And we recognize that in stage 1, a day like a year, Britain became the ruling state of the world. And so we are convinced that the island is Britain. But if you choose to believe it's Singapore, that's your choice. And then came stage 2, which is a day like a month. And we recognize that Dajjal has now created a second ruling state. And that second ruling state is the United States of America, with a mysterious relationship with Israel, which cannot be explained by normal tools of political analysis. No. And then comes stage 3, when power will be transferred from the United States of America to a third ruling state. And we say that that third ruling state would be Israel. And that is where we are located now in the historical process. Only Islamic eschatology can deliver that statement.